Hello, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a full guide on how to use UPBASE for employee onboarding in 2025, you've come to the right place. Let's dive right in. First things first, you need to log in to your UPBASE account. Now, the reason why this is crucial is because you'll need to have access to the platform's features in order to onboard new employees effectively. Once you're logged in, now let's move on to creating a new onboarding process. Navigate to the Processes tab and click on Create New. Here's where you'll input the details of the onboarding process, such as the title, description, and process steps. The reason we do this is to provide a clear and concise roadmap for your new hire's first few days or weeks at your company. Now that we've done that, let's add tasks to each step of the process. To do this, simply click on each process step and select Add Task. This helps us because it allows us to break down the onboarding process into manageable tasks, making it less overwhelming for the new employee. Next up, we're going to assign these tasks to the new employee. Click on the Assignee field under each task and select the new hire from the drop-down list. This is important because it ensures the tasks are allocated to the correct person, and it allows the new employee to see what tasks they need to complete as part of their onboarding. Finally, we're going to set due dates for each task. This is done by clicking on the Due Date field and selecting a date from the calendar. Let me explain why this matters. Setting a due date not only helps keep the new employee on track, but it also helps you, as the manager, to monitor progress and ensure the onboarding process is running smoothly. And there you go. You've just set up an employee onboarding process on UPBASE. It's as simple as that. Remember, a well-planned and organized onboarding process is key to making new employees feel welcome and setting them up for success in their new roles. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope this guide was helpful. Stay tuned to our channel for more tutorials like this one. Until next time, happy onboarding.